Hello and welcome to Raznama TV. I am Prerna with you. Let's take a look at the national and international news.
Historic sword of the brave Maratha Sardar Raghuji Raje Bhosle to return to Maharashtra before August 15. Informed Cultural Affairs Minister Advocate Ashish Shelar. The historic sword of the brave Maratha Sardar Raghuji Raje Bhosle will be brought back to Maharashtra from London by the last week of July or before August 15. Informed State Cultural Affairs Minister Advocate Ashish Shelar in both houses of the legislature on Monday. According to Rule 293 of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, the ruling party initiated a discussion in the Assembly, and in response to a resolution tabled in the Legislative Council, Cultural Affairs Minister Advocate Ashish Shelar shared this significant update. On the occasion, Minister Advocate Ashish Shelar said, "The historic sword of the valiant Maratha Sardar Raghuji Raje Bhosle of the Nagpur Bhosle dynasty, considered a treasure symbol of Maharashtra heritage, was successfully reclaimed through the determined efforts of the Maharashtra government's Cultural Affairs Department. The sword, a shining emblem of our history and Maratha bravery, will be brought back to where it belongs. Raghuji Bhosle, I was the founder of the Nagpur Bhosle royal family and served as a commander in the Maratha army between 1695 and 1755 during the reign of Chhatrapati Sahu Maharaj, who honored him with the prestigious title Sena Sahib Subh in recognition of his courage and military leadership. The sword, bearing his engraved name and featuring a gold hilt, was used by him in battles that define an era of Maratha valor. It is believed to have made its way out of India during colonial times via the East India Company. On April 29, 2025, the sword was listed for auction by Sotheby's in London. Acting swiftly under the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Devendra Fadnavis, the Maharashtra government put in place the necessary official processes. Through the effort of Mr. Praveen Challa, a successful bid was placed on behalf of the state and the sword was acquired for 69,94,437 including taxes. The agreement was finalized and the expenditure was officially approved on May 21, 2025. To oversee custom clearance, packing and safe transportation, Star Worldwide Group Private Limited was appointed. The state government is making agreements that by the end of July or before August 15, this iconic sword, a symbol of Maratha courage, pride and legacy, will be brought home and respectfully displayed for the people of Maharashtra, informed Mr. Shelar while addressing both houses of the legislature.
Stay tuned with Raznama TV for all other important news. Thank you.
जीवन के खास पलों का जश्न मनाने के लिए एक बेहतरीन जगह की तलाश है? द कोव रेस्टोरेंट, बैंक्वेट हॉल और सभी तरह के अवसरों पर आपका स्वागत है, जहां बेहतरीन स्वाद अविस्मरणीय यादों से मिलता है। चाहे जन्मदिन की पार्टी हो, भव्य शादी हो, कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट हो या कोई अंतरंग पारिवारिक समारोह हो, हमारे पास इसे शानदार बनाने के लिए जगह, स्वाद और सेवा है। हर अवसर के लिए एकदम सही आरामदायक माहौल में ताज़े और शानदार व्यंजनों का लुत्फ उठाए। विशाल बैंक्वेट हॉल, कस्टम इवेंट पैकेज, संगीत, सजावट और खान-पान सब एक ही छत के नीचे और छत पर स्थान का पता, लटमा रोड, सिंहमोर, रांची, झारखंड, द कोव। आपके लिए खास जश्न मनाने का एक बेहतरीन ठिकाना है। अभी बुक करें 7319705550 द कोव रेस्टोरेंट, बैंक्वेट हॉल और सभी प्रकार के अवसर, जहां हर कार्यक्रम एक खूबसूरत याद बन जाता है।